Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Kakinhon Menteri ke Sorkar Jylla kala ai jimanjur bantau no ya ke Skulbah kabrej ke Jylla lani ke State University daga basupan kala naga Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University kabala deb don lupa nadu usnam 8,000 khatwe. Habay thu ya karai kabala shim daga kinhon Menteri ha kasngi tho ading ka khat new tarik ulabayar 8,000 arpulai Menteri Sorkar ubadew nong aktien ke Sorkar MDA ke baar uba polling do loong baka Technical University kadai kabala deb ban menjur dakaan nadu usnam 8,000 khatwe hatura. Kumtaban penkala sya ke State University dan kaman penkala yang ya kaan kabala don ha kabaka kinhon Menteri kala menjur ya ka amendment bill Kabaan sa Wanrah ha ka dorbar mang tingka jong kayong dorbar tawaan ka ban sedang nadu ka arpaw tarik mentau benai.
Technical University. Now, fundamentally the issue here is that we had created the Captain Williamson Sangma Technical University, Tura, in 2011, with emphasis on high quality education in the areas of engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, including technical and related areas. But today, the cabinet took up the matter of establishing its first state-run university, which means that fundamentally we decided to bring this into the cabinet in order that the Captain William Sangma Technical University now will become the Captain William Sangma State University. And since this is the first state university, it will offer courses in higher education in the fields of humanities, commerce, general science, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related matters. So the proposal has been okayed by the Law Department, the Finance Department, and the Personnel Department. And our efforts now will be to try and strengthen the various departments that I mentioned so that this university becomes a success story. So the Captain William Sangma Technical University Amendment Bill will be placed on the table of the House to make it Captain William Sangma State University.
Habakali la ka jingpen kalaya ka te ka Technical University sya ka State University ka day penban tang ka jingpen do la di ki khna ban Ïakhun ya ka Common University Entrance Test uba pol loong bahaga sensyar pat ba dan kam mensngap ya ka sur ki babun bat kam la satya ban long bekat kum ka jing perkhat marwe ni tang shilenti.
Because the idea is to ensure that media is exempted from that CUET. Do you think that it will be a bane?
It
will be a bane if students will not compete in such competitive exam.
Well, there are always more than two ways of looking at things. That's your perspective. That's your opinion. Yeah? The opinion of the majority is that in order to not be bound by a certain regulation, let's have a state university. So that's democracy. You don't see things your way only.
So in that case, when will we have this state university to ensure that there will be no such competitive?
We've already passed and adopted a cabinet memo to change the technical university into a state university. What comes next is the infrastructure, the support, the technical staff, the faculty, right? These will fall in place once the act is adopted.
Can we have more information on this, like what is the total area, the space that is going to have this university?
Probably the space available now will not suffice. We have to go on expansion mode. But with today's technology, everything is possible. And I mentioned very clearly that we will include studies in the department fields of humanities, commerce, general sciences, engineering, physical sciences, life sciences, technology, and related areas. So it's and professional courses as well. So it's all inclusive.
Habakalib yang nadu lanu ki college hamigalia ki bajupan ya so bat ka Skulbah North Eastern Hill University kenya so no bat kani ka Skulbah jong ka Jylla bat kim dan kam ban Ïakhun ya ka CUET upa pol long bahadin ba ka Skulbah kala trekam kini ki college hamigalia ru kenya so bat kani ka Skulbah jong ka Jylla.
Since all colleges in Meghalaya University mandatory also to have CUET. In that case, from when all these colleges in the state of Meghalaya will start affiliating themselves with this state university?
Sir, once the university will be made functional, then affiliation will also happen.
A related question. Don't you think it should be in state headquarters?
The only hitch here is that you already have a technical university at Tura. So transferring it to Shillong physically again would take so much time. So in order to immediately have a state university, you convert this technical university into a state university so that you do away with all the challenges that Afrin has just mentioned, CUT and all.
The state government has recently requested the centre to exempt Meghalaya from conducting CUET. So what is the status of that request?
You know,
Timeline, sir, that has been enhanced, and that has been fixed for 30th March rather than 12th March for the enrolling the student for the appearing in exams.
You mean no exemption?
No exemption.
At present, that is the status.
But the government has requested for exemption, stating that the students are not ready for the CUET.
Further, I have to just get the details and then.
moreover, a new government has just taken over. So let the new government tackle, let the new education minister tackle. We're talking of something which happened in the previous tenure. Now a new assembly has been elected. A new cabinet has taken
But
over.
the new government only had requested for
It's not a new government. It is that was
CM.
MDA.
CM.
CM mentioned the moment he took over, okay, which is not even a week now. So let the new government pursue that matter.